was not from church, you be a member, be a crabber. Yabedem. Monsieur Mechi, may you go the Juma? May go the Juma na me. Ojo Mechia, Ubehu, Assassin, Yasua Juma. Ubehu said they are failure assassino. So what I say, Ubehu said they are failure assassino. And the Dawayan Dam, so what the Metron I say. Go the Juma na me. Me na me site. A machine is mechino. The machine is living the pack on a machine is mechino. But I can't sing be. As some American means some of them. But the American madam. O man penny. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. One of our pam for baby amu be a mechiamo. Masem kakra me work in here. Menya some videos are actually say wow bet you open over to a video ni bi. Akoshe bi no ahwe. Say yeah anti-task force, say yeah soldiers, say yeah then. But the young video a man for shishi excavators, Galamsey for excavators. O man penny the American say obi bia o shi excavator. Say wakwachi Galamsey ni or say so say asase or dija to na excavator machine bia onim nyansa. In which way? Yet to my way mu, yan papa say dun ketia be ka kire yen say obi tu anamon bi na na mo na nipa du 2 year no result no ebe ma nipa ne be ye failure anamon 2 year ni nyina no wa wo be kire a wo benya opportunity no wo follow the same anamon wa sebe na wo ye tip on goso enti yeto ma we mu na say MPP abehye excavators ema entumi aso abu Galamsey issue a NDC abana say NDC so e follow the same steps a mo ye tip on goso enyam na me kan ye mo ko hwe ese dun ketia as simple as ABCD. Excavator no, she excavator no. Adia na ye japadia mo man no. District assembly say what Ghana has say. Ye wo edwuma bebre wo ye district assembly mo ye betumi di excavator aye. Ade na mo nchi excavator na mo nchi chama district assemblies no mo fa nyo adwuma. In any case, uchi excavator na make asema kire mo. O man panyin wo no apamfo. Excavators no. Omo di ye adwuma ni nyina mo rent o. So you were excavator owners no, and you were miners no. Yentie ni ye. Excavator bi abakwa to ne site a wo hye no. Excavator say ye Galamsey woju Ghana ha say no. Emu 80 to 90% miners ne rent. So you were enipeku a omo de an say omo de excavator ne renters. And you were enipeku a omo rent di adwuma. Adentina wo che excavator na. Nipa na excavator ne ye ne dia no. Ba o mi so be follow up. Oba wo ne ntena se. O man forms am on fairly. So what the mention say? E you no na japade na odi rent obi na nipa ne dia kodi nsamone. Enti man forms mo on fairly. Asase na Galamsey fo asese no no. Kotwa 2 acres, 3 acres, farmer say nipa ne say. Ansa na me do excavator ne be ma back no. Kotode zegum. Fa kwaye failing. Uwia ye guide wo ye gina so fa kwa fail sa asase no. Uwia sambla be fail forms a agreement forms. Letter negitum. Say, umfa Galamsey excavator no kwaye Galamsey adwuma biem na yemfa wo excavator mawo na yenhwe say omo rent excavator wo man we mu no omo obia ba keke say obe rent na excavator de kwaye Galamsey a ode be manana aden na mama say ye duru ba bia na say mama ye ntimamfo ne di yawo me nkasa biemo minim say mo ba hwehwe me achi me atum but me ni obia atem de me kan say mo follow MPP steps na omo dey fight say Galamsey no mo ye failure na na minim sebe adwena damutrim me nka biem mama ba judge it by yourself she video ni na nkwachiri me da wase
Professor Frimpong-Boateng, let me start with him. A whole program was set up and Frimpong-Boateng headed that program. He brought a report as to the kingpins who were, as it were, the dons of Galamsey activities, reported on it.
Let's admit, if the NDC insisted that we should work with the Professor Frimpong-Boateng's report, then, Council, let's do so. I have always had my concerns and issues with that report. But if they insist, then let's do so. Go to page 13 of Professor Frimpong-Boateng's report. You know what it says? Professor Frimpong-Boateng says that, and I'll just move to that paragraph. The NDC was given an advantage in terms of access to resources from mining. This is because there are far more NDC people engaged in illegal mining than MPP members in the region. This is in Professor Frimpong-Boateng's report.
So implement.
So please wait.
Yes.
Oh, Council, leader, when you were speaking, I didn't speak. I beg you.
Well,
I didn't speak. Council, you see, if you are to take Professor Frimpong-Boateng's report and work with it, then the NDC have no business being in office. Because the report indicts the NDC than even the MPP. The report is clear. It says that there are far more NDC people engaged in illegal mining. It's on page 13 of the report. That is it. So I don't know why the NDC think that they can just pick Professor Frimpong-Boateng's certain paragraph and when another Danko Ekufuado with it.
And as we speak today, investigations have been done, including by the Fourth Estate.
Yes.
That prove that NDC tax have taken over even proper concessions because they have come into power.
No, there's nothing like NDC. No, there's nothing like NDC tax.
Leader, why?
No.
Let me speak.
I disagree. No, I speak in reference to something.
Council, today I need protection.
I disagree with what he just said. There's nothing like NDC tax.
The reason I will not withdraw that is that it's standard. We know some of them, and our investigators identify some of these people.
With all due respect. With this member of the NDC,
can you
let me show you this.
Why are you doing this?
No, September 17,
you can't say that
September
you have
17, 2015.
Doesn't breed tax.
The Fourth Estate did this story. NDC Group admits leveraging political power for illegal mining. Days after the Fourth Estate exposed how a group aligned with the National Democratic Congress forcefully took over a licensed mine in Prestea Huni Valley with the support of national security, an official of the party has confirmed the involvement of the Member of Parliament for the area. At a press conference in response to the Fourth Estate's publication, Mohammed Awal, the NDC communications officer for the constituency, told the media that the lawmaker had done nothing wrong. Again, the NDC Prestea Huni Valley communications officer claims that the MP's actions was about, quote, restoring sanity, ensuring rightful owners reclaim their operations, preventing further exploitation. So, Mr. Awal's justification for the seizure of the concession belonging to RMG Mining was that prior to the new Patriotic Party coming to power in 2016, the mine had been operated by Task Mining, but through political machinations, officials of RMG snatched it.
He spoke about the fact that they have introduced community mining and all of that, and Ekufuado didn't do it. That's a falsehood. Indeed,
no.
Ekufuado, you can't do this to me. But I noted all the things you said.
I didn't say. I said Ekufuado introduced another form of community mining. We are introducing community mining. What you introduce as a different name. I didn't say Ekufuado didn't do it.
But I beg you, if you interrupt every point I make, it would destroy the
I actually need to move on.
No, because but he hasn't given me the chance to speak. Please, I beg you. Please don't interrupt me again. Community mining was introduced by Nana Danko Ekufuado. So if they say they've introduced community mining, again, it buttresses my point. They've done nothing new.